Happy morning to all. Happy morning. Today we are going to learn about the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Here the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in neutral medium and alkaline medium is entirely different in the acidic medium. So you should be carefully watch this video. I am giving the rules how to write the equation and how to balance the equation. Okay, and you should be watch carefully today. Anyhow, today our learning objectives to learn about the oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. In the presence of dilute sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes permanganate ions into Mn2 plus ions. Here, I think that this area we have more than 7 equations. That is, first one is the ferrous salt is converted into ferric salt. For that, you should be write the basic equation. How the permanganate ion is converted into M2 plus ion. First, we should be write the basic equation in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. How the reaction is going and how to balance the equation, how to balance the charge. These are all very important. Next, ferrous is converted to ferric, that is oxidized. Potassium permanganate oxidized ferrous ion to ferric. And about that, next one is iodine ion to iodine, sulfite to sulfate, and also oxalate to carbon dioxide, etc. Today we can be write 1 equation. So watch carefully. It's very important for the, especially for the NEET students, those who are joined to NEETs. You can be write how much electron transfer like that. Okay. Anyhow, please all of you take your note and we shall write and balance the equation. Please take all of you. The oxidizing property of KMnO4 in acidic medium. Oxidizing property of KMnO4 in acidic medium. Here, in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate acts as a very strong oxidizing agent. Okay? In the presence of dilute sulfuric acid means we are taking H plus ions. The potassium permanganate acts as a very strong oxidizing agent. Permanganate ion means MnO4 minus ion. Permanganate ion is converted into Mn2 plus ions. Okay, permanganate ion is converted into Mn2 plus ion. Here, the balance the equation. How can we balance the equation with the help when we are adding the sulfuric acid? Here also having the 4 steps. By balancing the equation, it is entirely different from alkaline medium and also neutral medium. It is entirely different for the acidic medium. First one, the balance the metal or element on both sides. Balance the metal or element on both sides. This is one. Right side having only one manganese and the left side also having only one manganese. Next about the oxygen. Here having 4 oxygen, but here having no oxygen. So by balancing oxygen, equal number of water molecules, equal number of H2O molecules, adding to the opposite side. Okay, here having oxygen. So water molecule should add to the opposite side, not on the same side. Okay? So acidified potassium permanganate in acidic medium is entirely different, somewhat different. Here oxygen having, so by balancing the oxygen, equal number of water molecules means here having 4 oxygen, so you should be right 4 molecules of water. Okay, 4 molecules of water. 4 oxygen, so 4 oxygen. Clear? 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen. So by balancing oxygen, equal number of water molecule is added to the opposite side. So we get here. Next one. Hydrogen is also balanced. Hydrogen is also balanced by adding H plus ions. Here you should write H plus ions. H plus ions. Okay. H plus ions on opposite side. Here H plus ions on the water opposite side. Here having 4 H plus ions, 4 molecules of water. So you are writing 8 H plus ions. Okay, 8 H plus ions. Next, we have to balance the charges. Here how much charge is there? Here having 1. Here having 2 plus. M1, here having 1, 2 plus. That means we are saying here 2 plus, here 1, here also 8 plus. So 8 minus 1, 7. Then we are adding electron. How much electron? 5 electron. Okay, 5 electron. Clear? That means here having 1, here having 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. Out of 7, we are adding 5 electron. So 7 minus 5, we get 2. So here charges also balanced. Clear? This is the basic equation or fundamental equation. Okay, basic equation. Basic equation. The next one is the oxidizing nature of potassium permanganate or permanganate ion. Here permanganate ion in acid medium. We can be explain some of the reaction by using some of the reaction. For example, it oxidizes ferrous salt to ferric salt. It oxidizes iodine ion to iodine. It oxidizes oxalic acid to carbon dioxide. It oxidizes sulfide to sulfur, sulfide ion to sulfur. Okay, and also it oxidizes nitrites to nitrates. It oxidizes alcohol to aldehyde. Alcohol, we are taking alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol to aldehyde. Next one, it's sulfite to sulfate. These are the oxidation reaction. I think that we have more than 6 or 7 equations. So you should be taking return practice how to write the equation and how to balance the equation. Once you write means it can be write very easy. Okay. It's anyhow you try to balance the equation. Okay. First one, ferrous to ferric salt. Okay. First one is what? Ferrous to ferric salt. It oxidizes. Ferrous to ferric. This is the point. Note the point. Okay. It oxidizes ferrous to ferric. That means ferrous means ion in the highest oxidation state. Sorry, ion in the lowest oxidation state is a ferrous. Okay, lowest means we are saying Fe2 plus. Ferric means ion in the highest oxidation state. This is F2, the Fe2 plus. Fe3 plus. This is the lowest oxidation state. This is the highest oxidation state, like that. So, anyhow, we can write the equation. For each conversion, you should be write the basic equation first. Okay, this should be write the basic equation. That is KMnO4 minus plus E8H plus ion plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. Okay, this is the basic equation. Already we balanced the equation, balanced the element, balance the oxygen, balance the hydrogen, and balance the charge. Everything is finished. Again, you should write the basic equation. Okay? Basic equation. Next, you should write the conversion. That is ferrous to ferric. That is Fe2 plus is converted into Fe3 plus. Again, you should be balance the equation. Here having Fe1, here also having Fe1. The left side, the charge is plus 2. Here the charge is plus 3. So, how can you balance the equation? Here plus 2 plus 3. So, we are adding 1 electron minus. 1 electron minus. Now, the charge is also balanced. Because plus 3 minus 1 we get plus 2. Okay, here, balance. Now, equate the electron or equate the charge. Okay, by multiplying. This equation is multiplied by 1. Okay. Multiplied by 1. Here because 1 electron. Okay, 1. And here also, it should be multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. Clear? Okay. So, we can, what is the answer? We get multiplying. First, 1 into KMnO4 minus. This answer is say KMnO4 minus. Plus 1 into 8 is 8 hydrogen. Plus 1 into 5. What is the answer? 5 electron. 1 into Mn2 plus Mn2 plus 1 into 4 molecules of water we get. 4 molecules of water. Second, we are multiplied by 5. So what is the answer? 5 Fe2 plus is 5 into Fe3 plus 5 Fe3 plus 5 electron. Next we can be cancelled. Which are the cancelling? We should be cancelled the 5 electron and the 5 electrons. So what's the remaining answer? Can you say what's the remaining answer? That means KMnO4 minus plus 8H plus ions plus 5 Fe2 plus ion 5 Fe2 plus ions is next one Mn3 plus Mn2 plus Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus 4H2O. Okay, what's the answer? KMnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 Fe2 plus gives Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus 4H2O. Okay, but anyhow, as per our textbook, it is multiplied by again 2. As per our textbook, it is doubled. The equation is doubled. Okay, so it should be also, we can also write as per the double textbook. Okay, this is the correct answer. Actually, it is the correct answer, but anyhow, as per our textbook, we are going to write. It should be take the double, that is 2 KMnO4 minus plus, we are writing double means what is the double of this one? 16H plus 16H plus here 5 means double we are taking 10 Fe 2 plus here next 2Mn plus 10 Fe 3 plus 8H2O. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, as per the textbook we are writing like this. Okay, anyhow, we are expecting what is the oxidation state for KMnO4 minus and Mn2 plus. Previous video I told you about that, how to find out the oxidation state, and also now I am explaining about Onatois. Okay, here MnO4 minus. How do I write this one? MnO4 minus. How will you find out the oxidation state? Mn is taken as a X plus, how much oxygen is there? 4 oxygen. So 4 into minus 2 equal to minus 1. Okay? X minus 8 equal to minus 1. X equal to 8 minus 1. X equal to plus 7. So the oxidation state is plus 7. Okay, plus 7. Already here having plus 2. Okay. Now please tell the oxidation number is increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. Can you say? Plus 7 to plus 2. Plus 7 to plus 2. Increase or decrease? Decrease. Okay, decrease. So it is what? Reduction. Okay? Here, when we are comparing Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. Okay, Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. It is increase or decrease? Increases. Okay, here increase. So it is what? Oxidation. So it is what? Oxidation. So we are saying the redox reaction like that. Oxidation and reductions are occurred. So plus 2 to plus 3, it is a reduction. This is it's an oxidation. We increase the number. Okay. Next about the plus 7 to plus 2. This number is decrease. So it is a reduction. Like that you should find out all oxidizing. That is next one is an iodine ion to iodine. Okay, iodine ion to iodine. For each one you should write the basic equation. Okay, what's the basic equation? MnO4 minus. Okay, MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron. Okay, what's the product is we get? Mn2 plus 4H2O. Okay, plus 4H. This is the basic equation. Already we balanced the equation. We balance the metal or element, we balance the oxygen, we balance the hydrogen, and also we balance the charges. Okay, this is the basic equation. Okay, basic equation. Basic equation. Next about it oxidizes iodine ion to iodine. It oxidizes iodine ion. Iodine ion to iodine. This is is the topic, okay. It oxidizes ion to iodine. Clear? Anyhow, first you should be write the basic equation. What is the basic equation? This is the basic equation. What is that one? KMnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. Clear? This is the basic equation. Now, what is conversion? Okay, here, what is the conversion? What is the oxidizers? Oxidizers, okay. KMnO4 is oxidizers iodine to iodine. Iodine to iodine. That we can be written as I minus gives I2. I minus gives I2. Clear? Then, how can you balance the equation? Here having I2, so you should write 2I2. Now the element are balanced. Next about the charge. What is about the charge? Here, what is about the charge? Can you say what is about the charge? 2I means we are writing what? 2 electrons. Okay. Here we are minusing 2 electrons. So next one, you should be multiplied. The equation is multiplied the above to balancing or equating the above equation. You should be multiplied. First one is multiplied by 2 electron. Okay, multiplied by 2. The second one is multiplied by how much? 5. First one is multiplied by 2. Then second equation is multiplied by 5. So we should be right. 2 into Mn, 2 into KMnO4. 2 KMnO4 minus plus 2 into 8, 16H plus 2 into 5, 10 electron gives 2 into Mn plus 2 plus 2 Mn 2 plus 2 into 4, 8 molecules of H2O. Okay? Then about the second one. You write the second one. Okay, 2 into 5. We are writing 10 I minus gives 5 I2 plus 5 to 10 electron minus. Now, you have to cancel. Which are the cancel? The 10 electron can be cancelled. 10 electron can be cancelled. Do you have any possibility for cancelling? Have any possibility? No. Okay, so we should write the answer. Overall reaction. Okay, what is the overall reaction? 2 KMnO4 minus plus 16 H plus 10 iodine ion gives 2 Mn2 plus 5 I2 plus 8 H2O. Okay, this is the overall reactions for potassium permanganate is oxidized iodine ion to iodine. Okay, clear? Have a doubt? Next one. It oxidizes, sorry, before that you should be find out the oxidation or reduction occur. Okay. Here already previous I told you that KMnO4 minus is plus 7 oxidation state. Here is a plus 2 oxidation state. Okay. Now the plus 7 is decrease or increase. Decrease or increase. This is decrease. Why is this a decrease? Plus 7, plus 6, plus 5, plus 3, plus 4, plus 2. So decrease. This is called as a reduction. Reduction. What about here? I minus. I minus and I2. It is decrease or increase? It is increases. Okay, increases. So it is an oxidation. This what? Oxidation. It is slightly increases. So we are saying it is an oxidation reaction. Okay. Here we are saying that iodine minus ion. That is, their charge is -1. Okay. Here we are giving -1. -1. Minus charge is there. Is occur freely. Exists freely. So the oxidation state is 0. 0 anyhow, it is -1, 0, +1, +2, +3 like that. So it is increasing, -1 to 0. It is increasing, so we are saying oxidation. Okay. The next one is potassium permanganate oxidizes oxalic acid to carbon dioxide, oxalic acid. The third one is potassium permanganate oxidizes oxalic acid to carbon dioxide. How the reactions are going? Potassium permanganate oxidizes oxalic acid to carbon dioxide. It is oxalic acid means we are saying that dicarboxylic acid. Okay, dicarboxylic acid means COOH. COOH. This is an oxalic acid formula. Okay. How much carbon is there? 2 carbon and 4 oxygen and also having 2 hydrogen. Am I right? So oxalic acid. So anyhow, you write the equation. First you write the basic equation. What is about the basic equation? Okay. What is about the basic equation? First you write the basic equation. Please tell me the basic equation. KMnO4 minus plus 8 hydrogen plus 5 electron gives Mn2 plus 4H2O. This is the basic equation. We write the basic equation. Here anyhow, it oxidizes oxalic acid to carbon dioxide. Okay, we are writing the oxalate ion. Okay, we are writing what? Oxalic acid means we are removing the hydrogen. We get COO minus. Okay, plus 2H plus ions. Okay, plus 2H plus ions. We are taking this oxalate. Okay, oxalate as per the coordination chemistry we are saying oxalate. Okay, anyhow we are writing that oxalate ion COO can be written as, we can be written as write that twice like that. Okay, otherwise like this is no problem. Oxalate. This oxalate is converted into carbon dioxide. CO2. Now we have to balance the element. How much carbon is there? 2 carbon. Here also only 1 carbon. So make it 2. How much oxygen is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 2 2s are 4. Clear? And also about, you should be write the balance the charge. Here having 2 minus. Am I right? So you should be write here 2 electron minus. Here having 1 charge. Here having again 1 charge. So 1 plus 1. 2. Okay, that's a minus 1. Okay, here having minus 2. Okay, like that we are writing 2 minus 2 electrons. Now, equate the charges or electron, okay, by multiplying. The first one is multiplied by 2 electrons. 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, The second one is multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. So please tell the answer. When this equation, the basic equation is multiplied by 2 means, can you say what is the answer? 2 into KMnO4. KMnO4. 2. Okay. Plus 2 into 8H plus. What's the answer? 8 2s are 16H plus. 2 into 5. 10 electron. 2 into Mn2 plus. 2 into 4, 8 molecules of water. Okay. Next one. The second one is multiplied by 5. So what is the answer? 5 COO minus. Okay. Otherwise you can write the total. Totally we write, no problem. COO twice. Okay, like that you can write twice. And also we have it, each one having minus 1. So you should write minus 2. Okay, like that you can write. Is converted into carbon dioxide, 2 moles of carbon dioxide, CO2. And also 2 5s are 10, am I right? 2 5s are 10. So you should write 10 moles of carbon dioxide. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 electrons. 10 electron. Then which are the possibility for cancel? Which are the possible? It can be 10 electron, 10 electron. Anyhow, no. Then we can write the overall reaction. What is the overall reaction? 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 5 COO twice 2 minus gives then 2Mn2 plus 10 CO2 plus 8H2O. Please tell the oxidation. Previously I told you about that the oxidation, the number of element is increased. The number, okay. Here we are saying number of element is increased, this is all. Oxidation here the element here is occurring plus 7. Previously I told you about that plus 7. Here is also plus 2. Can you say this increase or decrease? It is decreases. So reduction. Okay? Decreases means reduction. What about here to carbon dioxide? Okay. About the carbon dioxide. Can you say what is oxidation? That means in the carbon this is a plus 3 oxidation. Okay. What about the plus 3 oxidation? You should be find out. Okay. Plus 3. Here carbon dioxide means we are giving plus 4 due to insufficient time. Okay. You should be count and say plus 3 and plus 4. Can you say it is a decrease or increase? Plus 3 plus 4. It's an increase. So we are giving oxidation. Okay, oxidation. Clear? Next about it oxidizes sulfide ion to sulfur. It oxidizes sulfide. It oxidizes sulfide ion to sulfur. Okay. I think that it is the fourth one. Sulfide ion. Yes, 2 minus sulfide ion to sulfur. Okay. Anyhow, you should be write the basic equation. What is the basic equation? This is the basic equation. For each one, you should be write the basic equation. KMnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5 electron. So Mn2 plus 4H2O. Okay. Next one. It oxidizes sulfide to sulfur. That is S2 minus 2 sulfur. Okay. Sulfur balance. One sulfur is there, one sulfur is there. Next about this charge. Here 2 minus. So here we are adding 2 electron. 2 electron. Clear? So let's equate the equation. So anyhow, we should be multiply each one. That is, first equation is multiplied by 2 electron. 2 multiplied by not 2 electron, multiplied by 2. Second is also multiplied by 5. So what's the answer? Okay. 2 into KMnO4 minus 2 KMnO4 minus plus 2 into 8 is 16H plus 2 into 5 10 electron 2 into Mn2 plus 2 Mn2 plus 2 into 4 8H2. And about the second one, 5 into S2 minus ion, 5 S2 minus gives 5S plus 10 electron. It can be cancelled. Which are the possibilities for cancel? 10 electron cancel. So you should be write the overall reaction. What is about the overall reaction? That also should be right. Can you say what is the overall reaction? 2 KMnO4 minus plus 16H plus 5S2 minus gives. The next one, 2 Mn2 plus 5S plus 8H2. Clear? Have it out? No. Next, please tell the oxidation and reduction. This is the +7. I told you that this is the +2. So +7 to +2. +7, +6, +5, +3, +4, etc. Up to +2 means it is decreasing or increasing? Decreases. Am I right? Decreases. So reduction. So what is that? Reduction. Here? Reduction. Next about sulfide ion to sulfur. It is here having -2. Am I right? So -2, 2. Sulfur exists freely, so it is 0. -2, -1, 0. It is decreasing or increasing? Increasing. So it is what? Oxidation. Increasing. Okay. So it is oxidation. Anyhow, the overall reaction is the correct overall reaction. 2 KMnO4 minus plus 16H plus 5S2 minus is 2 Mn plus 2 Mn2 plus next 5 sulfur plus 8H2O. Clear? As per the textbook having only the overall reaction. Okay, today we learn about that oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in acidic medium. First one is ferrous salt to ferric salt, iodide ion to iodine, oxalic acid to carbon dioxide, sulfur to sulfur. Okay, the balancing we can be discussed about the next class. Anyhow, today assignment. Write any one oxidizing property. Write any one oxidizing property. Of KMnO4, potassium permanganate in acidic medium. Okay, remaining we can discuss in the next class. Any one oxidizing property, any one reaction with the basic equation, and also next one maybe you can select ferrous salt to ferric salt, or iodide ion to iodine, or oxalic acid to carbon dioxide, or sulfur to sulfur. Any one reaction with balanced equation. Okay, and also write the overall reaction. Thank you all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.